Introduction to ChatGPT for Data Analysis.
One ChatGPT can help you analyze data, extract key insights, and summarize findings using simple conversational prompts. In this guide, we'll walk through practical ways to use ChatGPT to make your data analysis easier and more efficient, even if you're not a coding expert.
Preparing your data for ChatGPT.
Before using ChatGPT, organize your dataset in a clear format, such as a table or list. You can copy small datasets directly into your prompts or share sample rows. Ensure sensitive data is removed to protect privacy. For larger datasets, provide summaries or focus on key sections to help ChatGPT deliver meaningful insights.
Crafting effective prompts for analysis.
To get valuable analysis from ChatGPT, ask clear and specific questions. For example, prompt with, "Summarize trends in this sales data," or "Identify outliers in this survey." Specify what you need, such as trends, averages, or comparisons. Providing context about your goals helps ChatGPT better interpret your data.
Extracting insights and summaries.
ChatGPT can highlight patterns, calculate basic statistics, and offer summaries from your data. Paste your prepared data and ask for observations, such as, "What stands out in these results?" or "Generate a summary of key points." Use follow-up prompts to dig deeper into findings or clarify details.
Limitations and best practices.
While ChatGPT can assist with qualitative analysis and summaries, it has limitations with large datasets and complex calculations. For sensitive or substantial quantitative work, consider verifying results with specialized tools. Always double-check insights and use ChatGPT as a helpful starting point rather than a sole analysis tool.